Unlocking the mystery. What's your verdict? Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. What's your verdict? Understanding this phrase can unlock new ways for you to express opinions and make decisions in English. So, let's get started and decode its meaning together. First off, let's break down the phrase, "What's your verdict?" into two parts. The word, verdict, originates from the Latin words, ver, meaning true, and dictum, meaning saying. Traditionally, a verdict is a decision made by a jury in a courtroom, stating whether someone is guilty or not guilty of a crime. So, when someone asks you, "What's your verdict?" they are metaphorically asking you to act as a jury of one, making a decision or forming an opinion on a matter at hand. You might wonder, how is this phrase used outside the courtroom? Great question. "What's your verdict?" is commonly used in informal settings to ask someone's opinion or decision about anything, from choosing a movie to deciding on where to eat, evaluating a new product, or even after sharing a story or presenting an argument. It's a way to prompt someone for a judgment or conclusion they've reached after considering the options or evidence. To fully grasp the phrase's use, let's look at some examples. After trying a new restaurant, your friend might ask, "What's your verdict? Should we come here again?" When you're shopping for clothes, and you try on a new outfit, a salesperson or friend could say, "What's your verdict? Does it fit the occasion?" In a meeting, after presenting a new project idea, a colleague might inquire, "What's your verdict? Do you think the boss will approve?" These examples show how, "What's your verdict?" is a versatile phrase useful in various scenarios where an opinion or decision is awaited. So, what's your verdict on our exploration today? We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the phrase, "What's your verdict?" and that you feel more confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each new phrase is a step towards fluency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.